Hello, thanks. I have a problem to my dialog on a single player. I need to help from this. I've installed it and this is what result of that shit. ah, so slow. This. Fuck this with fucking this shit. Robert, so tired, so late, wicked. What for solution? This message. Generation call. Disability event. You are cancel address equals OX7A o 295. I'm not found what? But I reinstalled it. What the fuck? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please help me for this my problem. I need to help.